Aloha kako, everyone. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because, yeah, my video again. I don't know what happened to the thing, but here is my January report for all the January babies. Happy birthday! Woohoo! You made it. So as January's, I call it like a renewal time because you get a new year and it's time to make changes in your life, and everybody's busy trying to make resolutions. I don't make resolutions. I just try to do better every day. So, so today, because the stone of January is garnet, it's red, and what better base to have than a black, canvas to put red on. So here we go. All my paints, I'm trying this out. All my paints have been mixed with just water. And there's your symbols. They've all mixed with just water. Some are Amsterdam. Some are, I think I have one apple barrel in there. But the rest are either Amsterdam, Arteza, or Deco Art. Yeah, there's the other one. So I'm a little off screen, but that's my consistency. And it looks pretty. I think this is an Artist Loft black, actually. So I'm going to add more water because I thought it was, when I stir it, it feels thick. But when I pull the stick up and I, wipe it off and clean the edges and wipe it off again. And when I pull up the stick, it flows back into the paint. There's no mound, there's no nothing. And to me, that tells me it's too thin. But when I'm stirring it, it feels thick. So hence I just added a little more water and see how it goes. It still feels kind of thick, but I'm so off screen. Oh my God, Helen. Okay, I'll try to remedy that next video. So, yeah, I'm sorry you won't be able to see almost everything. Dang it. Okay. Well, I'll let you watch for a minute. I'll put some music. always takes me the longest. I'm going to start off with red. At first I was going to go diagonally, and then I thought, make it simple for myself, because I'm not very good at Dutch pours. Just put it in the middle and blow it out from there and see what happens. And I was very happy with it. This is Deco Art. Oh, I want to say Dazzling Festive Red. Yeah. It actually looks a little more orange and lighter. This, let me think, what is that? Oh, Cadmium Red. What was the first one? Cadmium. Nope. First one was a Burgundy. This one is a Cadmium Red, Amsterdam Cadmium Red hue. Deco Art 24 karat gold. I had to put some bling in there, even though it's not garnet. I had to put a contrasting something. What better, than shiny? And this is Amsterdam Pearlescent Red, or Red Pearlescence. It's all in there somewhere. So I got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings on my black, and you can see I got bubbles. I got tons of bubbles because I just mixed it all up. And there goes the torch. Look at that. My goodness, Helen. So time to move everything you don't want to be colored. And there's my flow extender in case I need it. So I too have a flower hair dryer. Does not have a cool button. But so I've really cooked my paint, and I'm hoping not to do that this time. And I have it on low. And I wanted to try low first, and if that didn't work, then I was going to go to high. But let's see what it does. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that lacing. And this is just, like I said, water and paint. I can't tell you exact measurements because, like I said, I just felt when I was ready to do that. And I have a bunch of that red, pearlescent red. And I kept thinking it's cell activator. And you'll see why in a minute. So I thought I could treat it as cell activator. Have fun watching this. there you have it. I don't think I'm gonna wreck it. Um, I like it as it is. It's just wow, bunch of like fire at you. It's very moving and it's very looks like an eruption. Yeah. So anyway, I'll bring you down to for a closer look. And mahalo for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Share if you know somebody that might want to see this. And I'm going to try to make it on a bigger canvas. That's what I'm going to do. So, ahui ho, until we meet again. Malama pono, take care of yourself. And have a great day. Bye.